Glycyrrhizin. Glycyrrhizin. The chief sweet-tasting constituent of licorice. Licorice is the extract of Glycyrrhiza glabra root that has been used for medicinal purposes. It is a saponin, triterpene glycosides, used as an emulsifier and gel-forming agent in foodstuffs and cosmetics. Its aglycone is enoxolone. An aglycone is the chemical compound remaining after the glycosyl group on a glycoside is replaced by a hydrogen atom. After oral ingestion, it is hydrolysed to 18-beta-glycyrrhetinic acid, enoxolone, by intestinal bacteria, and then absorbed from the gut, metabolized to 3-beta-monoglycyronyl-18-beta-glycyrrhetinic acid in the liver, circulating in the bloodstream. The side effect may include hypokalemia, reduction of blood potassium levels, kidneys retaining more sodium in the body, leading to hypertension. Therefore, it can affect body fluid balance, function of nerves, heart arrhythmias, adverse interactions with prescription drugs, in extreme cases, death. Cf. Quilaya.